Guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can activate your Evulus accounts, or how you can buy the token and stake them. So what you need to do first of all is that once you're on your dashboard, you need to click on this option. Then okay, click on the dash, sorry for that. Then you click on deposit. Now once it loads, there are three options you can use. You can use the EVU token. That's if you already have this, if you already purchased this EVU token on PancakeSwap and you have it on your Trust wallet, you can just select this first option and you transfer it directly, right? Or if you have other cryptos that are supported on the network, you can use it, or you can also use your credit card. But for credit card, you must do your KYC before you use your credit card. So I prefer using other forms of crypto since I don't have the token in my wallet already. So I have BNB, and BNB is what I'm going to be using. So if you select crypto, you are going to select the option, the type of crypto you want to use. You can use the USDT, but USDT, if you are selecting it, pay attention to this right here. As you can see, this is on the Tron network, so make sure if you are sending USDT, you are sending it on the Tron network. But I don't have USDT on the Tron network. I want to send that. What I have is BNB, so I'll just click on BNB and you will type the amount in US dollars that you want to send. For example, what I'm going to be activating mine with is 100 USD. Then it's going to tell me the amount of EVU tokens that I'm going to be that the value is at the current market price. Okay, then what I have to do right now is to click on deposit. Then the page will load up. Then this address is where I'm going to be sending exactly this amounts of BNB to. So I just have to copy this and or copy the address first of all right. Then you can now go to your Trust wallet or MetaMask, or maybe your Binance exchange account, wherever you have the coin you want to send. In this case I'm sending from my Trust wallet. So what I'm going to do right here is to click on BNB, I click on send. Then first of all, I paste the address I copied. Okay, as you can see, there's the address right here. Then I copy the exact amounts I was instructed to deposit. So confirmation should be automatic, so just copy this. Then you go to your Trust wallets. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, let me paste in the BNB first of all. Paste in the BNB, then copy the address again. Copy the address, just copy. Then I'll go back and paste it right here. So I click on continue. Now before you check out, always make sure to cross check the address to make sure there's no mistakes. As you can see over here, says 59, that's the last two, and the figures, everything is okay. So right now I just have to click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, you verify the transaction. Then you wait for it to get confirmed Once, okay, as you can see, it has left our wallet. Then let's see. So if you scroll down, it tells us that the deposit will be active automatically after 3 network confirmation. So once it gets 3 network confirmation on the BSC network, then it will reflect. So we just have to give it time. If you want to also know the amount of confirmation your transaction has, you just have to click. You can just click right here. As you can see, okay, click on more details. Though I already see that it's showing us 14 confirmations there already, so this should start reflecting anytime soon right here. So you can just refresh the page. Okay, so say we are processing your deposits, so just wait a while. So after waiting for a while, just like 2 minutes, as you can see, the deposit has been completed. So what we now need to do is to go to our dashboard. I keep clicking this place. Click on this toggle right here, go back to dashboard. Then as you can see, this is the amount of coins I purchased on the platform, or the amount of EVU token I have right here. Now one thing I need to do is that we need to stake it, which is actually the purpose of the whole thing we are doing. So go to staking. Then this is the amount of APY you're going to be getting if you stake your coin. This is currently the amount of EV token that is currently staked on this centralized staking platform, 3.something million. It keeps increasing actually. So this is my balance. Then if I want to stake, all I need to do is to click on maximum, meaning I want to stake everything. All right, then I just have to click on staking. Then it says this amount I want to stake. Then there's a 1% fee if you want to stake, okay, and the total amount I'm going to be staking now is 1077. So what I need to do is just to click on yes, and it says stake successfully created. So if you scroll down, you see right here that this is the amount I stake, which is currently $98 after every fees and everything has been removed. But this is nothing, because basically the price of the token is going to appreciate on the long run. So it is not is nothing actually. So you stake this, and that's just it. So I'm also going to be uploading more videos about more tutorials on other things you can do and how you can do them on this platform. All right, guys, subscribe to this channel if you like this video. All right, thank you.